Wait, hold up. Hold up, face. Face. What's wrong, no hands? If you guys wonder what I'm doing outside, I have to reshoot another video. So, I want to show you something real quick. It's my blue fidgety spinner. Fidget. My blue fidget spinner. So, here, look. I'll see you guys later at like 2 or 3, because right now I'm gonna get my bike right somewhere, right over to up my hill and come down. By the way, I'm gonna call my neighbor right now. See ya. Oh, hello. Just looking at my plan. Just looking at my plan real quick before I leave to get my bike. So, I don't know what I've been doing, because my hair might change like when I'm 11 years old. So, I'll see you later at 2 or 3. Right now I'm going to get my bike. Afterwards, I still might be doing the video, because you know where I'm at? I'm by like my apple tree. So sorry about that. So keep it up. This goes out to Danny Villa. Yo, little.